welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show how to give CPR to the cardiac arrest patient. So let's learn what is CPR. This is the technique of BLS. BLS means that is basic life support. So under basic life support, we used to give always CPR to the patient who is having cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest means this is the suddenly stop of heart to beat. So when there is the suddenly stop heartbeat, the patient will go under arrest. So at that time, we have to go for CPR to save the patient's life. So whenever patient will have suddenly arrest, maybe patient is in hospital setup, that at that time we have to call the help team, we have to call the blue code so for helping. But if patient is on the ventilator or in connection of oxygen, at the time we have to directly give CPR after confirming of cardiac arrest. Suppose patient is on the roadside or suddenly someone is falling on the roadside, so at that time it should be very much concerned whether patient is having cardiac arrest or other problem. So to confirm that, always that patient, if in the road, then we have to bring the patient aside of the road, not to harm any kind of vehicles or other persons to the patient. So first we have to call the person by their name. But if we don't know the name, it is a stranger person, so just we have to call Mr. Then after that we have to confirm whether patient is having cardiac arrest by look, listen and feel. We have to see the patient's pulse, that is CAB. CA means circulation, A means airway, B means breathing. So we have to confirm. Then after that we have to call for help on the road. So if someone is there to call somebody, then we have to ask to call 5108 or another ambulance number, or nearby hospital we have to take the person. Till the helping group coming or till the ambulance come, we have to try to save patient's life by giving CPR. So CPR, there are ratios. So always ratio, that is 30:2. 30:2 means it is 30 compression we have to give at a time, and by our compression it should be deliver 100 to 120 beat minute, that is, or 2 rescue breath, or we have to give, that is. In hospital setup, always we will give through the connection of oxygen or through the help of ambubag. On the road we have to give directly to mouth breath, that is 30:2, and that compression should be 30, and the chest coil, whenever we are giving pressure, it should be 2 inch, or that is 5 centimeter. Then we have to give continue the 5 cycle. So now let's learn how to give CPR to the patient. Okay, so let's see how to give CPR. Suppose the victim is on the road. So first we have to save the victims, and we have to bring the victims to our side, nearby our side, and victim should be sleep in supine position. And if it is male person, so we have to remove their jacket or whatever they are wearing. If it is female person, then we have to make them lose their bra or anything inner garments. Then for male person, we have to make it lose the belt also, whatever, or shoe also we have to remove for the person. So now first we have to confirm patient is having arrest or not. So look, listen and feel. We have to call by their names, which or Mr. What happened? Utho. Then patient is not responding to me. So now my duty is to confirm look, listen and feel. That means look means we have to check patient's carotid pulse rate. Then at the same time we have to, just after feeling, then we have to see in the chest side whether patient is taking breath or not, or abdomen is moving or not. Then I am feeling that there is no pulse, then there is no respiration, patient is not responding to call. That means now I have to give CPR. So before giving CPR, always we have to open the patient's chest level, not to remove all the cloths. So this is the baseline of the chest, breast, or this is the sternum. Then in the third middle of the sternum and in the baseline of the chest, our hands should be, non-dominal hands should be placed here. Then, and this is the right dominal hand. So we have to lock our finger, and our finger should not be go directly to the patient side. It may be injure to the patient's skin. So we have to lock it, and we have to give our pressure through the shoulder side, not from the elbow side. And our figure should be maintained, body posture should be maintained. We should not move our elbow. So by giving pressure support, always we have to count like 1 to 30, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now 30 compression is complete. So now I have to give to rescue breath. That is, before giving to rescue breath, always patients, this head should be maintained. This chin should be always lift and head should be tilt. And before giving mouth to mouth respiration, always there should be covering of the mouth of the patient, so with the cloth. Then and before giving, so always we have to pinch the patient's nose so that air cannot be go out. Then we have to do like that, and we have to give this. Then this way to breathe we have to give. Then if patient is not, means patient there is no response, then again we have to go for another 30. Okay, so now I have given already 2 rescue breath. That is, again I have to check patient's pulse, respiration rate. Then if patient is not coming back, again we have to go for same 30 compression and 2 breath. Patient like that we have to give for 5 cycle, 5, that is to bring back the patient. So after that, means if patient is on the hospital also, if there is no oxygen connection, so we can use the ambu bag to give 2 rescue breaths. So now let's see how to give ambu bag respiration. Okay, let's see how to give breath in the help of ambu bag. So this is the adult ambu bag. So this is the ambu bag mask. So we have to fix to the patient's nose and mouth, and this is C and E shape. So fingers should be like that and 2 fingers should be here. Then we have to give 2 breath. Instead of directly giving breath, we can use this ambu bag, that is 2 breath again, and connecting with the oxygen. Then after that, during giving breath, we have to see patient's abdomen whether it is recoiling or not. So in this way we can give oxygen in the help of ambu bag also. So hope you understand my CPR topic today. So this CPR is very much valuable for patients' life saving. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.